Hello and welcome to Green Pistachio World, my dearest eco-friends. If you've ever found yourself tangled in the web of festive shopping guilt, don't worry, because we at Green Pistachio have got your back. If you've read our article and watched our video about sustainable gifting, you know that we feel you. Our path crossed with reCharkha, a brand that gives discarded plastics a Cinderella makeover, creating products that aren't just eye-catching, but soul-soothing as well. Since then, reCharkha has been our trusty ally in the planet-loving crusade. reCharkha truly is like a fairy godmother for plastics. Wave a wand, give it a twirl, and voila! That pesky plastic you've seen kicked to the sidewalk is now a snazzy handbag. Without further ado, let me introduce to you the inspiring force behind reCharkha, Amita Deshpande. So Amita, tell us, what is it that started you on this journey of reCharkha? When was that aha moment when you decided, oh, I want to start, weaving magic out of plastic waste?
It was definitely not an aha moment. It was more of an oh no moment. And that kept happening again and again and again. Like right when we were growing up, the advent of plastic was also on a rise, and we all used to see garbage lying everywhere. And then that question used to keep coming into my young mind that, why is this here? Is there no solution for this? Or rather, why are we even using it? If it is not degradable, which everybody knows, but we are still using it and throwing it away. So what can be done with it? And I never decided that this is going to be my career path. I had taken up an engineering degree. I started working in an IT company, but in parallel, I was doing, lots of cleanup drives, or lots of environmental projects, social projects. And at the end of a period, I thought that this is enough. I don't want to work in the IT sector anymore. I want to do something that I'm more passionate about.
You also involve communities. Tell us how it is that you tell our viewers how they can also get involved and get engaged with this brilliant mission that you've started.
See, there are a few things in which people can, of course, engage with us. So firstly, the product in itself is made in such a way that it engages the underprivileged people from rural and tribal areas. So specifically women. So we have identified 2 villages where our weaving work happens, where the fabric is made from waste plastic. And that plastic waste, once it is woven, is converted into products. So that is one section of the society that is getting engaged with us. The other section of the society is people, consumers. Right? Consumers are anyways going to go out and shop and buy something or the other. Be it a fashion accessory, be it a home decor product, be it an office utility bag. They're anyways going to shop. Then why not have a conscious product?
Is there any way that people in general can also contribute to, your raw material, like maybe doing a plastic collection drive and then giving you
Sure.
the stuff?
So see, what happens is our basic mission is that people should live a zero waste lifestyle. Okay. So when I tell that, hey, we are here to collect your waste, people, oh wow, there's somebody who's going to take away my kachra. Let's go and use some more plastic and then give it away to reCharkha so that it disappears from the planet. That's not going to happen.
Right.
So we are here, we will upcycle it. We are postponing the problem.
Right.
Okay. So yes, you can come and give us your plastic waste. We have this store in Bandra which has just recently opened, as well as our Pune store, or you can even courier it to the Pune store.
Yeah,
People can help with to reduce their guilt. It's not that is a contribution to us.
In a way, but you know what? That's really helpful because there are some times when you really want to use a product or buy a product, and there's no other way. There's no alternative. So, what's your favorite product out of all of these? I know what mine is. What's yours?
Mine. Let me see. This is my favorite product. It's a cutlery kit, and actually the whole problem of disposables is what it is trying to solve.
Yeah.
So it has a steel straw and a straw cleaner, and the cleaner is made of coconut bristles, again not generating more plastic waste. A spoon and fork made of wood. You can always use steel, and then a khadi napkin. So a lot of waste is avoided, especially when you are having this around with you. and you're traveling with it. So this is my favorite product.
Yeah, I can see why that cutlery set is special. I think I'm going back with a few of those, I'm sure. Coming to sustainability, a lot of people are trying to make that change now. And like you said, when you were younger, you had to think about how is it that you can do this, or how can we solve this problem. So what is it that you'd like to tell some viewers who are trying and not quite getting it?
Everybody can start with ourselves, right? It's best to not preach, but start it at our own level, and it is easily possible when we are looking at each and every aspect of our life and our day-to-day things. We can actually look at everything and ask whether there's an alternative for this.
What about, since it's this new wave or trend of sustainability is catching on, right, in the world today, and there's a lot of people, influencers or people on social media who are talking about this. Do you think that they can help to turn this wave into a tsunami? Do you think that they're...
Definitely, and influencers have helped a lot in this entire process of behavior change, and I think they should do it more, and they should do it more ethically, as in they should first understand the whole reasoning behind sustainability, and they should talk about the right things. It should not happen that they are only promoting greenwashing.
Yes.
That should not happen.
Yes.
But there are very, very good social media influencers right there right now who are showing how they are changing their own lifestyle.
That's great. I mean, that is some words of encouragement from Amita to influencers everywhere. So if you're a social influencer and if you care about sustainability, do you have a favorite hack that you would like to share? Just put them down in our comments below and we'd love to hear from you. If you could wave, say, a magic wand and change one thing about how our society today approaches sustainability, approaches waste management and the environment and caring for it, what do you think it would be? What is that one change that you would love to make? Just one.
Let's try to do away with all the non-biodegradable plastic waste.
So thank you so much, Amita. It's been a great time and so much fun chatting with you. Thank you. And if you have any message for our viewers out there, please would you share it?
So like I said, let's choose consciously wherever possible, refuse, reduce, reuse, repair. Those are important things, and if you can't do those, then recycle, upcycle, choose upcycled products, because we are actually making all of these to solve some problem, and definitely a very good alternative to what you would otherwise find in the market, because it's solving environmental and social cause in order to create an eco-social planet.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
If you're inspired by the eco-elegance of reCharkha and craving more sustainable goodness, don't let the adventure end here. Pop over to their store and check out how they're turning yesterday's waste into tomorrow's wonders. Be sure to check out reCharkha's stunning creations and join the movement. Until next time, keep staying green and inspired. Head over to the Green Pistachio website and subscribe to join our vibrant eco-family. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest in sustainability, uncover more trailblazing brands, and find products that not only impress but also cherish our planet. Ready to explore and be part of the change? Like, subscribe, and never miss a beat on the path to a greener tomorrow.